What's the meaning of certified public accountant? Certified public accountant. Certified public accountant.
Certified public accountant. Certified public accountant. A certified public accountant, CPA, is a designation given to accounting professionals who have met certain educational and professional requirements. CPAs are licensed by state boards of accountancy and are authorized to provide a variety of accounting services to clients, including auditing, tax preparation, financial planning, and consulting. In order to become a CPA, one must typically complete a bachelor's degree in accounting or a related field, pass the uniform CPA exam, and meet specific work experience requirements. Obtaining a CPA license signals to employers and clients that an accountant is highly competent in their field.